traded bearish yesterday, while silver traded with swings here. We have seen silver breaching below the critical support at 32, while gold has also moved close to 3208 levels. Yes, I have mentioned that we are looking forward to a good fall. I have mentioned this in my Asia and Europe session update. We have seen a good fall in gold, and with the US session, we have seen a little recovery. Now, what to expect today? Yes, it's a big day. The inflation data from US is going to be the driving factor, and which direction the metals are going to go. Are we looking forward to a rally here, or there is a possibility of a drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The second update obviously will be before the inflation data before the US session. Do not miss to watch both. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Remember, in this update, we are not only sharing the levels but also try to show you how you should analyze or how we can find out the levels with ease. And that is where, if you appreciate the effort, definitely you can press the like button, do share and subscribe, do comment as well. Your every action matters to me a lot. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, first on the hourly chart, see what is happening with gold. You can see every drop followed with a retracement. Every drop follows with a retracement. It has waited for the 20 period to come down. Now, once it breaks out below yesterday's lows, that is 20320810 zone, we are ready for another round of fall. Be mindful of this. Yes, look at the formation, nothing different. See, drop retracement towards 2050, drop retracement towards 2050, drop retracement towards 2050, and here again it is waited for the 20 period to come down, and now trying to erase some of the gains. Now see, bullishness here in gold is confirmed. If you see it is staying beyond 3242, you can buy, but then I will say 3250 52 first resistance zone. And I have shared this in my US session update as well yesterday. As long as 3250 and 3280, these are the two key levels. As long as gold fails to break beyond this zone, you can stay bearish. Till 3280, it is sell on rise. That is a very strong possibility that gold might not like to breach 3280 now. Now also notice what's happening here. See, it has seen a good wall, good strong resistance. Look at 20 period offering it a very good resistance. Thus it is very important for gold to trade above this. Then you can confirm the bulls here, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Stochastic looking downwards. See, MACD has crossed over here, and see how it has been trading. Drop retracement, drop retracement. Now it is possible that it can try to move towards this, which means till the inflation data there could be a little bullishness. That is possible. There could be a little retracement is possible, which means it could try to move towards 3250 52 3265, or in fact 3270 and then 3280. But then also I will not treat this as bullish, rather it will be a good position for me to take a sell. Let's watch out more. The RSI just coming out of the oversold zone here, coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See the wall out here and see the formation here. Rise, retracement, rise, and see again it is trying to reverse, yet it is failing to break beyond 32 40 42. So that should be a good level for us to take a buy, because that might take the prices all the way towards 32 50 52 32 60 65 70, and then 3280. Till 3280 it has got greater resistances. Stochastic comfortable here. Now here also on the 2 hour charts, you can see the MACD crossing over here at the bottom. This is a slight bullish sign, so it confirms there is a little possibility of a retracement here. Yes, gold might try to retrace, not reverse but retrace. Now, what is the difference between retracement and reversal? Retracement is after a good trend, after a good move in a particular trend, it tries to show a pullback, and that is what you can see it as a Fibonacci retracement. That is because see, anything which goes, markets never trade in a single line. So if you look at any time frame, let's say it has given a $50 move, obviously it would like to retrace a little. And there are times when we can see a bigger move also. For example, we had seen in the recent past a $100 bull run, but that also followed with a little retracement. So every time we see a strong move, that follows with a little retracement, but yes, not a reversal. Now reversal means when it breaches the point from where the drop has started, that is called the reversal here. Now for here, you can see the time frame is also equally important. The drop started at 3280, and now it is important for gold to break beyond 3280, and then you can see there is a gap left on the upside which it would like to fill. Now beyond 3280 till 3340, it is still having greater resistances. Now see the MACD here crossing RSI almost staying at bottom. Coming to the 3 hour, see the 3 hour charts here. You can see this. It is forming a nice beautiful flag. Also look at the resistance. It is getting from the upside every candle, trying to move upside, getting a push from the upside here, suggesting that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. Also notice it is forming a nice flag here. So once it breaks out beyond 32 40 42, that will call for a further rise where the prices could move towards 30 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. So here also till 3280 we should not be treating this for a reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD has stayed bearish and it is still having room for further rise, but it is trying to converge, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is flat and sitting at the bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see the crossover in the moving average, very important. This is crossed over after a long time on the sell side, and see these are trading with divergence and staying bearish. So 3300 again offering it a very good resistance if at all gold starts to move upwards. Look at the formation, and here it is possible one bullish candle retracement. Once it breaks out, it can deliver a stronger bullish candle, which might in fact take it towards 3260, 3270, or in fact 3280 levels. Possibility is there. Stochastic rising, the MACD has traded enough bearish. It is still trading bearish here, looking downwards, not showing any signs of reversal, and RSI is staying at bottom. Coming to the daily chart. Now see on the daily charts, look at the formation here. See, this is the base which it needs to break in order to confirm the bearish breakout here, because below 3200 and 318890 zone, you can expect more bearishness here. Below 318890 zone, you can even expect 3150, 3140 levels to be seen here. Yes, those are the targets it would like to achieve. Now notice I've shared this earlier. This is how it has been trading. This is a nice flag formation. After a good run, it is just trying to trade in this. Where are the lows of this? In fact, the lows of this are far below towards 3100, and hence that is why I say as long as now 3280 levels are not taken, you have to be very careful with the buys here. Yes, it could reverse sharp. Now notice the preceding two candles step is created, lower highs are seen, and this also makes this zone as a pretty important zone and a very strong resistance as well. Now then there is a gap to be filled till towards 33 24 25. So if you see gold staying above 32 80 84, you can just stay bullish for 3300 33 10 33 25 26. Filling the gap, it could also reverse here. And now look at the stochastic. This has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is staying bearish. The RSI has dropped. So considering this, now before I provide you the levels, friends, it is very important for you to also have this skill and art where you can yourself analyze the charts and find out the profitable entry points. And thus you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting first week of June. We only have limited entries, so yes, do not miss to join this. See, do not be the 99% of the traders who first lose in markets and then invest in trading. Rather, I would prefer first have the learning, do your homework, do the groundwork for next 3 to 6 months, and then you jump into trading, and then you will realize how trading can profit you throughout your life. Do not miss to join this batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals you can benefit. For any of your queries, you can write an email or ping me on Telegram. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It is very important to have a broker, a safe and a trustworthy broker. Join it today and enjoy your trading experience. So now I will recommend you to buy here at 32.42. Beyond 32.42, you can expect 32.50, 52, 32.60, 32.65, 32.70. If it breaks 32.70, possibility of 32.80 and 84 will be there. If gold trades above 32.80, 84, I think we are looking forward to 33.010, 33.25, 26. But as long as 33.25, 26, I think is not taken, the possibility of a reversal will be very high. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now on the sell side, Now only selling entry now I'll recommend is at 32.24 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 32.18, 16 first target zone, 32.08, 32.10 the next. If it trades below 32.08, 10, you can stay short for 3200, 31.88.90, and then below 31.88.90 I think we are ready for a good drop towards 31.70 and in fact 31.50 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, it has breached the critical support yesterday, the $32 zone, but failed to stay lower. Yes, you can see this was the time when it has seen breached this zone. After staying bullish, we have seen it retracing. It has breached this zone again and now trying to bounce back, trying to recover. What's happening here? After the rise, it has retraced and again rising. It is possible that it could move towards 33. Now, the strongest resistance for silver on the upside is at 33, 33, 30 zone. If these two levels are taken, I think 33, 50, 60 should appear, and if that is also taken, I will say 3400 is not far. Yes, these are the levels which it would like to achieve if silver gives a breakout here beyond 33. So that is one point. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising after the crossover, the RSI is rising, signs are bullish here. On the 2 hour charts, when you see similar observations, see a sharper drop and a V-shaped recovery, which suggests that silver is now heading towards 33. And 33, 33, 30, if it breaks, I think the bullishness will prevail. Now, if you ignore this noise, you can find out silver has so far taken the support here at 32, 60, 40 zone. So now a drop below 32.40 will confirm further downside all the way towards $32 levels. The stochastic rising here, the MACD has crossed over after forming a double bottom. It is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising, which is again a very good sign for the bulls. On the 3 hour charts, and you see on the 3 hour chart, similar observations, support from the 20-50 period moving average trying to bounce back. And this confirms as long as 32.40, 32.60 zone is not taken, we should not initiate a sell. And even if silver breaches 32.40, 60, you can expect the $32 level should offer a maximum support. Now see this, it is seen a rise, it has formed a nice flag, it is trying to break out here. A move beyond 33 is a clear sign of bullishness ahead. Stochastic rising here, the MACD crossed over for the buys, the RSI is showing a modest rise. On the 4 hour chart, we have similar observation. On the 4 hour charts, a very good support is now created at 32, 60, 40 zone. With that as support, it is trying to bounce back, just it needs to stay above 33 and 33. 25, 30. If these two levels are taken, we are ready for a round of rise towards 33, 50, 60, and if that is taken, then stay short. See, if 33, 50, 60 is taken, we can expect 33, 80, and then 34. Beyond 34 is where the bulls are waiting. We can look forward to a stronger rise towards 34, 50, 34, 85, and in fact $35 levels here. But let's have a detailed look here before concluding. See the stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over bullish sign, RSI rising. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, look at the formation in silver. First of all, it has given a swing candle here. It is closed in an indecision in a doji here. Look at the lower highs, means till 33, 33, 30. You should not be treating this as bullish. Only and only if silver trades above 33, 30, we should treat this for a reversal. Then what will happen? See the drop here, the support here, then the rise, then the drop here, sideways movement, and now once it breaks out, we are looking forward to 33, 75, 80, and in fact higher levels are possible. So let's confirm for a breakout before jumping in. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to cross over, the RSI is rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend, first a buy is only at $33 levels, where you can expect 33, 25, 30 as the first target zone. And remember, 33 is where the lower price has to be above 33, not the higher one. Yes, exclude the spreads, let this one be above 33. Expect 33, 20, 30 as the first target zone, 33, 50, 60 as the second, and if that is taken, 33, 80 should be there. Beyond 32, 380, I think we are ready for a stronger run. 34, 10, 34, 50, and in fact 34, 85, $35 levels should be there. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. And yes, where you should sell. See, the selling entries are now recommended at 32, 60 levels, or in fact 32, 50 levels. If you see silver trading below 32, 50, the higher price has to be below 32, 50. You can expect a sell here. Expect 32, 20, 25, first target zone 32, the second, and then 32, 31, 75. If these three levels are taken, stay short for 31, 40, and $31 levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do not miss to join the mentorship batch coming the 33rd batch starting first week of June. Else you can be just part of my signals channel on Telegram. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.